stepping away from your desk. Take your conversations with you. Text 365 brings YakChat's trusted, secure messaging straight to your phone, keeping you connected and compliant wherever work takes you. Available for iOS and Android, Text 365 installs in seconds, is easy to use, and is built for professionals who never stand still. Text 365 isn't just another SMS app. It captures every message, protects your data, and keeps your business compliant, no matter where you are. And with regulations tightening, secure message capture isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential. That's where Text 365 makes the difference. It automatically captures and securely stores all your business SMS messages and images, archiving them safely in your company's central system to keep you audit-ready. And it does all this without changing the way you love to message. Text 365 feels just like the messaging apps you already use, only built for business. It gives you instant access to contacts from your phone, Outlook, and Azure, and helps you stay on top of every message with personal and shared inboxes and smart notifications. With Text 365, the full YakChat experience moves with you, syncing seamlessly from desktop to mobile. Jump into any conversation and pick up right where you left off. Manage contacts effortlessly. Start group conversations. Share images instantly. Want to use your personal phone? No problem. Just add a separate work number to keep your business and personal messages apart. And since every message is securely archived, you can text freely without worrying about compliance. Text 365. One app, total control, wherever business takes you.